Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. So in this video, we are going to be learning how we can use TikTok to do our affiliate marketing. You know how TikTok is going viral today. So we are going to be learning how we can use TikTok, use the advantage of TikTok going viral now to make money online using affiliate marketing. So if it's what you want to learn, affiliate marketing using TikTok, stay with me in this video as I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to create your account, how you're going to select the product you're going to promote and do everything by yourself. Guys, let's start up. Remember to subscribe. Okay, let's start up the video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'll be showing you how you are going to do what? You are going to do your affiliate marketing using TikTok. So all we are going to learn in this video now is how you can do your affiliate marketing using TikTok. So what we are going to do, first of all, the first step is for you to sign up. So you're going to sign up with your Gmail, with your email, or with any of your distance. So let's sign up with our email. Let's sign up with our email. Let's sign up with email. Let's sign up. Let's use email to sign up. Okay. What date of birth? They say we should give date of birth. Let's say 4th. Next. Okay, let's do it here. Guys, let's select what year will we select? 1995. Let's select this. You say okay. None above. Let's do this. Let's go with let me use affiliate Odyssey Junior. Bet trading news and destiny at gmail.com. Yeah. So it's loading. So guys, the first step, as I said, let's confirm this. Okay. So let's give it a password. Our password. Ensure that you use the password that you can remember. Let me okay. Ensure that you use a password that you can remember. So I think our account has been created. So let me save it now. So since we are going to do affiliate marketing, depending on the product you are going to promote, like now if you want to promote something like regarding to pets, you say pets day, or you can just write regarding the niche that you are promoting. But let me assume now that I want to promote something like make money online. You say make money online. You say money makers. Just write anything concerning money makers. You say, have you seen someone have collected this one already? Then we find another one, money makers. Or if you can put something like this, money makers. I can say sky BTC. So people have collected all this money makers. Okay, guys, let's just use this suggested ones. Let's say sign up. But you try as much as possible to select the the one that is perfect to you. So let's go to our profile now and see what we are going to do. Okay, see now we have our profile ready. So what you are going to do, you go to set this thing. Once you go to this set now, then you enter your distance. Now you can say learn the secrets of how to make money at the comfort of your home. Then you put emoji, then put laptop. You can do it like this. Just click on. Then if you have an Instagram this thing, then you can switch over to Instagram, but we are not going to do that now. Then you add your profile picture, add it there. As you can see now, see our this thing, how it is looking. So what you do now also, the next thing you are going to do now, you go to Canva. Once you come to Canva, I will drop the link below this video. You go to Canva, you click on this, you search for TikTok. Once you see TikTok here, you click on video. It's video because video goes more viral than any other thing. So we are going to make use of video in order for us to promote this. But the most important thing is you knowing what you are promoting. As I said before, if you are promoting something like make money online, then this is perfect. If you are promoting something like weight loss, it's also good. So you know what you are promoting first. So let's come here now. Let's assume that what you are promoting is make money online. So let's find free ones. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Find free ones. So, apply. We just want the free ones. We don't want the paid ones. We don't want to pay for it now. They are even showing us the paid ones. Paid. Let's find the free ones. Okay, believe in yourself. Let's use this one now. Let's use this one. This one will be okay for us. Okay, as you can see, this one says believe in yourself. Let's play it and see how it is. Okay. So what we are going to do now, instead of this believe in yourself, you double click on it. So we say learn. Let's clean this one. Learn the easy ways to make money today. Carry it up. You drag it inside. You drag it up. Drag it inside. Then just take your time and do it. As you can see, I'm doing it so that this video will not be long. So you do it this way. Learn to make money today. So we can change this background. You can change this background. Let's find another background. If you want to add picture, you can add picture. Elements, you can add element. You can add video, you can add anything. You can come here now and say subscribe, follow. You can put anything. You can put this now. You can decide to put this. Okay. So you can put this here. Then we can still go there back. You can still go back and find something that we can put there also. Let's find any other thing that we can put there. So this thing now, you just need to take your time. Take your time and do this thing now. Just make it to look So when someone see this thing now, then it will be attractive in their eyes. Then they will like to know more about. Let's just expand this thing small. Yeah, I think it's okay now. So let's play it. So this is how our this thing will be. So this is how learn the easy ways to make money online. So you can now download it. Can now download. Click on download. You want it on MP4? Yes. You click on download. So guys, let's download it now. Let me just show you. I will show you now a trick how you can get thousands of people to go through this and watch this your video, and also to follow you and try as much as possible to get in touch with you. And guys, there is one thing TikTok is doing now. Presently now, they don't allow you to put link on your bio or under your homepage unless if you reach up to 1,000 followers. So these tricks I've shown you now we can help you to get fast followers. So we are still waiting for the video to download. So let's wait for a little time and see whether it will download. Let's wait. Okay. Let's wait. It's about to download. It's about to download. It's about to download. Okay. It's wasting time. Okay. Okay. It has downloaded. So our video has downloaded. So what we do now, we go back to TikTok. We go back to TikTok. So we are now in TikTok. So instead of you now to come here now and press on this place now to just put the video. So what you are going to do, instead of you to come here, don't go to that place. Don't go here and click on it. Let me tell you what you are going to go. Go to Discover. Sorry, let me take you back to that place. Okay, see TikTok. So instead of you to let it load. Okay, instead of you now to go, this thing I've gone out. So what you just do is go to Discover. Once you're in Discover, once you're in Discover, you'll be able to search for trending, to get the trending sounds. Trending sounds. Trending sounds. So see the ones that are popular now. Can make use of any of them now. This one nice. Okay, this one have 21,000 views. This thing that. So it's now that you can now click on this thing. You can now click on the video. You can now say okay. So let's wait for it to load. It's loading. Have you seen it? So we have posted our first video now on TikTok. So as you can see, so you can now say, can I write photo and comment. So and you can drag this up and you say next. Once you click on it, you can say learn the easy ways Ways to make money online. Money online at the comfort of your home. Comforts of your home. Then you add hashtag make money, make money, make money online 2.5 billion. You can say affiliate marketing 1.2 billion. You can say FU page 300 and something billion. You can say also FY viral for you. Okay, put up to 6 tag. You say FY viral. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's make it 6. You can also say drop shipping, because people on drop shipping, they also want to make money online. Drop shipping. Okay, so you do what now? You post. So let's see the video we just created now. Have you seen it now? We have posted one video now, and before you know it now, people will start viewing this and start liking and start commenting. The more you get attraction, then once you reach 1,000 followers, then you can now come to this place. And add your link, the link of your website, either your website or the link of your landing page. You put it here so that anybody that click on the link, the person will go to your landing page. And if you want me to do a video on how you can create a landing page step by step, then I can do that video for you. Guys, ensure that you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, so that every single day that I drop up some videos like this, you also get it. So I hope I've been able to just show you step by step how you can do simple TikTok promotion and where to get traffic using TikTok to your affiliate links. So yeah, this is the only thing that you can do. Just do it. It's free and it's easy. Hope to see you some other time. Subscribe and bye. For more ways to make money online, check the link below the video. You see awesome steps, awesome strategy, and tools that you can use to make money online today. So check the link below the video. You see some awesome tools that will help you to make money online at the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why.